Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to yet another video. Today I want to show you guys exactly how I achieve a clean lock maintenance routine. I wash my hair maybe once or twice a month just because a lot of the times I'm not using heavy products that lead to me needing to wash my hair, but I pretty much feel it out throughout the month, feeling my hair to see exactly how it feels. If it feels super straw-like and thin, I will go ahead and wash it. And if it's dirty, I will go ahead and wash it. So right now I'm preparing my base. And in order to wash your hair in a very easy way, I fully believe that it's so important that you divide your hair into sections. So here I'm just dividing my hair into 4 sections just to ensure that um, I get the chance to wash every single lock. Every single lock gets the same amount of attention, and my scalp gets easy access so that the shampoo goes straight to where it's supposed to be, which is my roots area. So now I'm taking a soft paddle brush, actually my husband's brush, you know what I'm saying. But I'm going ahead and lightly brushing my locks. I do this because sometimes, believe it or not, you may have a piece of lint or a dirt, something from the environment that just sits on top of your locks. And if you skip this step and go ahead and wash it, what you will encounter is that your locks are even more prone to build up and lint build up in your locks. So when you brush your locks before washing, you prevent the buildup or whatever is on top of your hair from embedding inside of your locks. Because once you wash your hair, if your hair is anything like mine, it goes through like a matrix, like almost like a spider webbing matrix. When your hair is wet, if you have hair like mine, when it gets wet, it starts to shrink up and shrivel, and you really don't want that whole process to bring in any lint that's sitting right on top, or any type of dirt that might be sitting right on top of your locks. So whether you think your hair is dirty or not, I believe that this step is super important to everyone. Everyone should brush their locks before washing it, just to prevent anything from getting inside of your locks that you do not want to end up surprising you later on. All right, so now that my hair is in fours, let's go into the shower. So the first thing that I do is just drench my hair with warm water. I make sure that all of my head is drenched before actually going in and shampooing. I just want to saturate my hair, get moisture from the water before I go ahead and use my charcoal detox shampoo. And this is one of my favorite shampoos. I purchased this at CVS. It was less than $10, I believe, and it really works for me. I love it. It always cleans my hair out very, very well. I personally love washing my hair this way when I section it off, because it allows me to apply the shampoo straight to the roots and really gain access straight to my roots in order to properly wash my hair. So now what I like to do is take down one of the sections and go ahead and really work the shampoo into that whole entire section, concentrating on all of the locks and all of the individual locks. Washing the problem areas, the areas that have buildup, um, just taking my time and getting in on that one section, because um, I just find this method to be very, very, very helpful with my hair. And of course, squeezing the shampoo into my locks helps so much, because if there's buildup inside of there, it's squeezed right out. So washing my locks from roots all the way down to the tips and squeezing them And after I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, I just go ahead and try it again. I do it again for the second time. Now, this method I didn't just stumble on, it was basically something that I learned to do after washing my hair the wrong way for many, many times. I mean, I used to just slap the shampoo on and go, and that resulted in buildup and not getting the best of, the best of wash days. So I learned this after some trial and error. And also, when I was loose natural, my hair was really, really thick. So I needed to find like a way to keep my hair organized in a way that I would be able to wash my hair in a neat way, um, knowing that I'm fully getting the best wash, that I'm fully washing all of my hair, all of my scalp, every area is being treated equally, especially the edges, guys, the edges. The edges. Especially if you use product on the edges, you know that the edges are very important when you wash your hair, you shampoo. So don't forget the edges. As you can see, I use a generous amount of shampoo, and that's because I truly believe that I need it. It's better to use more shampoo than not enough. And plus, I like when it suds up. When it does not suds up, I feel like it's not doing the best that it could. So here I'm lightly pulling my locks down, and that's just to get any dirt from the roots to pull, like, just for that extra assistance in getting the dirt out of my locks. So if you find any like build-up areas, then gently pulling your hair with the shampoo really helps to further get that dirt out. Otherwise, it might just stay stuck. So you have to do a little maneuvering, a little uh, manipulation when washing your hair to get the best results possible. Another problem area that I've always struggled with is the back of my locks, the back locks, I guess you can say. Um, Especially the ones like right by the nape of my neck, only because when it's wintertime, I like to wear a lot of, sweaters with cotton and, material, and sometimes that will get stuck into my locks in the back. And so, also, that area is more prone to buildup just because it's all the way back there. Like, I can't see it and it's harder to get to. So when shampooing my hair, I like to just make sure to, concentrate on the back as well. This method in separating my hair in fours helps me to remember to concentrate on every lock, including the ones in the back, because I can't see those locks. So it's very, very important to take my time when washing my hair back there. And I just recommend that to everyone else. Like, the locks that you least expect to be dirty, I would really encourage you to spend the most time washing those, because those might be the ones that attract the dirt, the mildew, the anything, any texture, any element in the air, dust, dirt, anything can get stuck in your hair, and especially in the locks that you least expect. So in doing this light pull and the method of fours, I guess you can say, the four ponytails, really helps to ensure that all of your hair is shampooed, no lock gets left behind. All right, so you definitely want to concentrate on the ends. But at this point, I am pretty much done with washing my hair. I'm just, scrubbing in a little extra shampoo into my scalp, moving around the dirt elements, and all done. Now it's time to go ahead and rinse all of this sud stuff right out. And now the last thing that I like to do is rinse my hair with water. I use warm water, well, lukewarm to warm water to rinse out all of the residue and the shampoo out. I realized that before I wasn't doing it the right way, and so that resulted in a lot of the shampoo staying in my hair, and that ended up in with buildup in my hair. So I'm just running the water over my hair and making sure to just gently squeeze it as well. I try to give myself enough time so that all of the shampoo is rinsed out. This may take about 15 minutes, so if you are washing your hair like me, just make sure to give yourself enough time to rinse it out with the water so that there are no shampoo residues in your hair afterwards, because your locks can end up trapping that shampoo and it ends up looking like buildup. Alright, so here's just a fast forward of me rinsing my hair with the shower water. Like I said, give yourself enough time so that you can get all of the shampoo out, every single part of your hair. Okay, so you may not get all of the shampoo all out in one try, so keep looking at your hair once you think you're done, and if you have any trace of shampoo, go ahead and rinse it right out. But here I'm just squeezing my hair because I'm all done, squeezing it from root to tip and drying off my hair with my towel. My towel doesn't give me any type of lint issues, but I would recommend try to dry your hair with a cotton t-shirt instead if you are really skeptical about the towel in the first place. So here's my roots and my hair nice and clean and ready to retwist. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you wash your hair any differently from me and what works for you. What shampoos do you use? Definitely comment down below. But thank you guys for watching. I love you. Subscribe on the way out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.